All the woodworking tools which appear on my channel are popular in Japan and abroad. However, do you know which tools are most commonly used and are the most improved so far? Its earliest shape is known as Yari Kanna, or Japanese spear-shaped plane. Yes, the plane is the most popular woodworking tool and is also the most improved. Because sandpaper and finishes were rarely used since ancient times, it has been involved in almost all woodworking-related work. Sokunin depends on planes to create finished surfaces. Planes come in plenty of varieties to handle many different types of jobs. As working styles changed and new materials were introduced, the woodwork became more complex and new planes were designed. It is interesting to see how the plane has evolved. The first planes, the Yari Kanna, were spear-shaped planes used to flatten planks that had been hewn with a layer of lacquer. Before the introduction of the first sawmilling saw called auger, the logs were split with wedges and splitting chisels, then hewn with the adze. It is considered the only plane used in ancient times to pare and finish timber, and is the oldest plane still available. Soldiers in ancient times originally used Yari Kanna in battle. The plane has a long, narrow leaf blade attached to the end of the handle, like a large chisel. Today Japanese carpenters do not use this type of plane for ordinary construction work, but sometimes it's used to fulfill special requirements in temple architecture. Yari Kanna is made from a single piece of steel. One end was used as a handle, and the other forged into a leaf-shaped